lamsogo bayap songno phung jorao phung gaham jotono no tini sing phailajak wngkha Sabbath no susirinani bagui bini susirinani jora ke sub center o phailajak ke aingo Sabbath hingke bisingo achukjak bini ama bai ke angkhe tao phadro kisa phakya ke susirinani phailajak ke Sabbath no susirimani pore bini bai ni aro school o bahaino brongni project tongo ke arabo sing ma thanai hinai ajagani teacher rok samani boro singno phainen bagui sajak hingke sing aro bahaino thanai
Bình thường mà. Công nhận là sai có cách này. Thành ra là đấy. Game đưa về thử ra. Thái sắp tới lên rồi. Phải đảm bảo là
no sub center ni sing susi rok rubai akubai ongkhalakya hingke aboni pore hingke sing bini bai ni school o thanai Sabbath ni bini bai ni school o ke tai srapsa tongnai bini bai ni school o sing thanglainai haibona ajaga video rok chaknani permission no mano naini ene kaisa project tongo ni sa
शिक्षा हमको मार्गदर्शन देती है। शिक्षा के कारण हम गलत रास्ते पर नहीं जा सकते। शिक्षा के बिना मानव जाति का विकास नहीं होगा, इसलिए हम सबको अच्छे से पढ़ना है। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू। थोड़ा साउंड करके बोलना।
Good morning, ma'am and sir. I am Joseph from Grade 4. I am very glad to explain about this concept. This is a solar system. This is the sun. These are eight planets. These are orbits. These are the planets all around the sun. As you all know, the word solar system consists of sun, the eight planet and the moon. All the planets revolve around the sun. Sun is hot body. Earth revolves around the sun. In its own axis causes day and night. And seasons Earth take 24 hours to complete one rotation and 365 days. That is 1 year to complete one revolution. Thank you. Food like rice, chapati, fruits, nuts, vegetables for giving energy to hunger. Food consists different compounds. There are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins and minerals. All the nutrients required by the body to grow and photosynthesis. This is the nutrients is called balanced diet. So we want to explain about balanced diet. My friend Dixita explain about proteins and carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, these are energy food we should be consuming. 50 to 60% of your digest carbohydrates are present in whole grains, chapati, bread, rice, proteins. Then and normal body needs. Food need to 10 to 12% sources of proteins are egg, meat, bread, seed. Thank you. My friend will explain about fat.
Okay.
Fat is protein, energy in the calories. Fats also.
Loudly, please. Loudly.
Fats also help to our body absorb important vitamins. Fats also make food more flavorful and help us feel full. Source of fats are butter, meat, oil, sugar. My friend vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. These are called food fight against that specifically for healthy. The sources of vitamin and minerals are fruits, vegetable, leafy vegetable, and eggs. We should consider such as our daily diet. Thank you.
Okay.